Oh, abot naman. Oh, there you go. That's so pretty. Okay, thank you, Heidi. I had to ask someone's shoulder para lang maabot ko. That's so pretty. Okay. We have this really, really nice bungalow to show you guys. And it's here in BF Homes, Paranaque. It's not every day we get to tour a bungalow like this. It's on a corner lot too. So if you guys are excited, yung ilaw pa lang, di ba? Ang cute na. Make sure you watch the full house tour. A very special house tour because we are gonna be going around this gorgeous bungalow on a corner lot here in BF Homes, Paranaque. So again, corner lot, so that means you have two street facing sides, and one of them is this one with a pedestrian gate. Let's go in, and this is the first thing that you'll see. On the left you have a accessible ramp, and then on the right you have steps. So it's up to you which you prefer. So in this case, let's check this one out first. And here at the very corner of the property you have some seating. You also have a glass sliding panel over there that will let you in to the living area, but before we go there we have to go through the main entrance first. But I just want to show you that you do have access to your 4-vehicle carport over on that side of the property, and we'll get there in a bit. You also have a few sliding doors here. Again, you'll see it later. Ooh, super windy. Right, so you have another glass sliding panel here, as well as over here. But let's check this one out first. So over here at the side, it kind of acts as your back area because this is where all the outdoor units of the ACs are for easy maintenance, and also so no one really can see it, especially, you know, coming from two of the sides or the streets. Okay, saan mo gusto pumasok? Kabila. Alright. Alright, so let's go in through here. Okay, so as you enter, immediately you'll notice that it's very bright and breezy, and that's thanks to, well, apart from the AC obviously, that the light is thanks to the clerestory windows that you'll see up top, and then obviously everything here, or almost everything here, is glass. So you're letting a lot of natural light in, and if you open the sliding doors, then you're gonna let the cross ventilation do its thing and make sure that all the breeze outside goes inside. Now here you have your open space for your living, dining, and your kitchen. And spoiler alert, this entire house is basically smart home ready and is, well, you know what, let's just test it out. Alexa, turn on lounge lights. Okay. There you go. So also, it's daytime right now, but the lights are also programmed to turn on or turn off during specific times of day, like sunrise or sunset. That way, certain areas will always be lit and dramatically so, including areas that have strip lights so that at least you can see the path where you walk on. Okay, speaking of lights, strip lights rather, you have beautiful blue lights or underlighting here in the kitchen, and it frames the kitchen beautifully. So you have an L-shaped counter over here, complete with your built-in storage and your separate sinks. Then you have an island counter here in the middle, again with storage, and the bar on the other side. Then of course your refrigerator. This particular area is actually still high ceiling. It's higher than the standard, but of course it's gonna feel cozier in comparison to the rest of the open area for your living and your dining, because again, you have really high ceiling for this one. And I love how your eyes are drawn to it immediately because of the material that they use, which is basically wood-like planks. The flooring is also gorgeous. You have tiles in this very classic pattern but they used modern textures. So that combined with all of the texture that you see here just has this very cool, not really mid-century, although a lot of the influences are very mid-century, but it's more of a contemporary modern with lots of character. Oh, and then here on the other side, you have this matte black sliding door that will lead you to your guest powder room. So you have your sink, your toilet, and then you have this very adorable urinal. Thank you for turning on the lights, John. Speaking of the lights, check out the switches for the lights. Sige, I'll go here. Ang laki ng switches. That is super nice. It's also quite low, so kids or well, you know, people of different heights can reach it comfortably. Now, speaking of different heights and ability, ang ganda. Remember the ramp earlier? It leads to one of the sliding glass doors over there. So if ever you were to wheel anyone in to the home, like maybe a stroller or a wheelchair, not a problem because dito na yung daan. Okay. So that's it for your main or common area. So your living, dining, and your kitchen. Let's now check out the hallway over here. Ooh, more of the switches. So satisfying. Okay. So most of the doors here are sliding. I can actually try it. But parang niloko mo ba ako dyan? Girl, hindi ko abot. Hindi ko abot. I don't want to risk it baka mahulog eh. But apparently it's a switch. Si John apparently abot niya ako, hindi. Oh, sorry, this is currently being used as storage. My bad. Let's check this one out first. So the first sliding door on the right is bedroom number 1. So your flooring is continuous from the common areas down to the bedroom. It's one seamless type of design. Of course, it's not seamless. It's styled. I mean, yung consistent lang yung design. That also makes it easy to maintain. Now, here for the bedroom, you still have lots of natural light coming in from the living room. Kasi glass din to. So this one actually you could turn into an entertainment room if you wanted to, especially since glass naman siya. You could, it's up to you creatively and daming pwedeng gawin. But if you did turn it into a bedroom, you do have your built-in wardrobe over here. You have another source of natural light. Thanks to the sliding glass doors, that means yes, you can also leave via this route. Your TV mount is right here. And then you have another sliding door for your ensuite, toilet, and bath. With your his and her sinks, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space. It's a door, isn't it? Is it meant to be? Okay. We'll check that out later. Alright, so just a tiny ramp up here. Ooh. We should go here first. Alright, so the door here on the left leads to bedroom number 2. Again, the flooring is consistent throughout the entire floor. You still have high ceiling, you have lots of downlights in different sizes, mind you. Then you have your built-in wardrobe here on the left. The entire wall is just your wardrobe storage. And again, you have sliding doors. Wait, you have sliding doors over here that also act as your window. Kaya sobrang liwanag. And then this is just a fixed window, just for the light to come in. And of course, this being a bedroom, you still have an ensuite toilet and bath via the matte black sliding door. So you have your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space. Okay, now let's check out the primary room. Okay, so you have a lot of space. So you have here a, if I'm not mistaken, this is a king-sized bed. You have an entire wall of storage, similar to the other bedroom. Again, of course, naturally, lots of natural light, thanks to the windows and glass sliding doors, including this one. And what is this? All right, just making sure. So this is also a fixed window this one faces the 4-vehicle carport. Ang liwanag. And then on this side, you have your own suite, toilet and bath. With your 2 sinks, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower space. And then there's another part over here. Yun yung kanina tinitignan ko. So you have a door. So basically this is a door that leads to the other bedroom or the junior primary suite. So you have the primary bedroom and then the junior master or junior primary. So we have one more area to check out. Dito lang tayo dumaan sa isang bedroom since mas malapit siya dito. But technically you can use any of the sliding doors leading out to the side and the back. There we go. Super smooth. Alright, so we're back at the back. Technically, this is the side, but again, as I mentioned earlier, it kind of acts as the pinakalikod ng bahay just because it's the hidden side. It also has the service area, so you have your built-in counter with a sink. You have the outdoor AC units, as you saw earlier, and then this also pretty much acts as your laundry area where you can hang your wet laundry.
Solar panel.
Oh, sorry, that's where is it? Do we have samples? Oh, here. Okay. So also, this is solar power equipped. So you can see it right here. You have some storage. The breakers are right here as well as the controls. So it's pretty neat that apart from being... Ay, sorry, hindi ko napansin to. So you have an induction stove pala dito sa labas. So apart from being smart home ready, it will also help you save energy via the solar power, and you don't actually need to turn on so many lights because again, it's super bright thanks to all the sliding glass doors. Also, this is the most quiet outdoor unit I've heard, I think. I'm impressed. Okay, so over here, you have your staff area, pero hindi na tayo dadaan dyan. Dito na tayo sa kabila. So that I can also show you the 4-vehicle carport. Super high ceiling. It basically follows the roof shape throughout the entire home. Very nice and breezy. It's nice and open while still protecting your vehicles because again, it spans the entire length and width of the carport. And then you have an automated gate right here. And this side, you'll notice, hindi siya stairs, ramp din siya. So even if you were coming from here with a stroller, you can just go up via the ramp. Stroller or wheelchair, it's up to you what your needs are. Okay. So let's check this one out. You have some storage, some seating, may mga outlet din, mga abang for whatever you might need. And then over here on this side, you have the staff toilet and bath. And then yung kanina sa likod na nakita nyo, that's the access for the staff room. Okay, so that's about it. Sorry, can I just comment also? Ceiling, you see ceiling design, I mean. Para siyang concrete finishes, pero it only looks that way. It looks super solid, but I can see some thermals peeking through for, tawag dito, para hindi mainit yung bahay mismo. Tawag dito, insulation, there you go. I can see some of the insulation peeking through, which is really neat. Halatang makapal. Alright, so let's do a recap, but before that, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. We have more houses, maybe like this, but we definitely have more houses here in Paranaque, so if you want to see those, make sure you check out our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. Now here are some super cool B-rolls. You have so much space, and everything is on one floor, and because of that, you also have high ceiling. You can afford to have high ceiling and very nice finishes, furniture, and technology, because you don't need to spread out your budget, kumbaga. So you get to concentrate on just one floor and make it amazing. So if you're anyone you know is interested in a place like this has 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, a 4-vehicle carport, equipped with solar energy, and is smart home ready. Make sure you send this video to them, or if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,